Today we are doing the medium bowl cover and the small bag from Retro Sparkle Designs, both of them lined. What you are going to need for this is your two of your main pieces, two of your liner pieces for the bag and a string, and one main, one liner, and elastic for the bowl cover. We're going to start with the bowl cover. Right sides together, you're going to pin all the way around, leaving about a 2-inch gap, and serge all around the edge. Flip it right sides out, and then you're going to top stitch about 1.5 inches, 2 inches around the main thing all the way around. Now we're going to pin each side of your elastic, and we're going to feed it through in between where we just top stitched all the way around. Then go ahead and finish that edge there for your elastic piece. Then you're going to close off that open edge that we had there. And now your bowl cover is complete. With the bag, we're going to right side gather the liner, leaving about a 2-inch gap there, and then sew the 3 sides. Repeat with the liner. Place the liner inside the bag, right sides together, and then sew around the top. And then we'll open it up and then put the liner in the correct way. Next, we will top stitch around where we left the opening. Now for the string, you're going to pin each side, and then in the openings that we left on the mains, feed it all the way through. And now we are all complete with our bag. You'll go ahead and tie a little knot there, and now it cinches for you. Thanks for joining us today for the bowl cover and the bag. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, and of course subscribe so you can follow along to future sew-alongs.